Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete green screen on Capcut application. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, click on the create new project. Select the particular video that you want to put on the green screen background after deleting. So I'm gonna select this photo. Okay, then from the bottom option, click on the overlay option, click add overlay, select the particular video with green screen, click add from the bottom corner. Okay, you can see that the screen has been added. Then you have to select the ratio according to the video size. For that you have to go to the ratio option, make it 9:16 as my main video is 9:16. Then I have to adjust it by dragging it like this. Okay, then you can see a button cut out at the bottom part. Then click chroma key, click on color picker, drag the circular button to the green option, then go to the intensity, adjust it when you think it's perfect. I think that's perfect. Click OK, and that's all. You can see that the green screen has been removed. So that's how easily you can delete green screen on Capcut. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.